Wait, okay, so you're telling me that me, a person who loves food, can record myself eating said food that I love, as previously stated, and people will watch it, and there's this thing called ad revenue, and sponsorships. I can go to Burger King and buy some fries, go to my car after previously purchasing these fries, and turn on my camera, my phone camera that is quaintly set up on my dashboard, and eat. Now, if that doesn't sound like just the best idea ever, sounds pretty good to me.